Hi everyone, it's Living the Good Life, and as promised, here are all my finds from a single garage sale. I went to another one first and everything was set up in the yard, but there was nobody there. So I went on to the second one that I really didn't have a plan to go to, and it turned out to be the best one I've been to. Gosh, I can't even tell you how long it's been since I found a good garage sale, especially one with jewelry. I spent a total of $13 at this sale, and here's what I got. So the only non-jewelry item I got was this pink handled basket. It has a S on the bottom. I was wondering if that's L.E. Smith. Don't know. I would love to hear from you all and find out what you think. Then let's get into the jewelry. So that was $3. Everything else was $10. And here's what I got. So I walked up and I asked for jewelry, and they said, oh, here's this. And so, it was a hanging, one of those hanging jewelry garment bag looking things. And I started going through everything and I found this. I'm going, what is that? So it looked like gold, and it had that little extra link in it, and this is a 14 karat gold necklace. So that would have been minimal, $1 or less, because I haven't even counted how many items I've got here. We'll do that at the end. And then I went over and she goes, oh, and here are these, and she pulled out some plastic compartmentalized little boxes, and I started going through all the little compartments. And as quick as I could, because there was one other man there that I know from garage sales, and he was looking at some, model airplanes and stuff, and guys' tools and guys' stuff. And I'm just lucky that he didn't ask about the jewelry before I got there. So I started finding some good stuff. So I found this Native American turquoise, and I'm sure it's sterling silver. I'll have to test it. If it isn't, I'll let y'all know in the future. And then I found this. Now, I only found out last night what this was. Let's see if it actually focuses. It says T & Co. And then on the other side, it says in this little bit, it actually says Tiffany & Co. So this is my first real piece of Tiffany jewelry. So it's these three little circles intertwined with this interesting little ferrule right there. I don't know, maybe you can see it from there. Anyway, so that was neat. So again, less than $1. I started then finding some rings, and I found this one, and I threw it in with some of the other stuff because I thought that it was probably sterling, but it actually says very faintly 14K on there. And most of these are from a single manufacturer, and I'm going to have to tell you what that is, if I can read it on here. 14 karat art carved. So it's art carved. This one says 14 karat yellow gold. Really pretty little ring. So you can see right in there. And so that's the ring. I got some more rings. This one's from the same manufacturer. Also 14 karat. And these actually have a good bit of weight to them. And then there was this one, men's ring. It's huge. It's even big on my thumb. So it's actually a very big size. So there's what it looks like. It's got a little bit of a design to it. And we're going to weigh these at the end for all my watchers that like to see that. There was also some costumes. So I got this. A lot of times these are Joan Rivers, but I can't find anything on them. I got these. This was one of my, actually I threw it in there because you just didn't know. I didn't notice that the post was silver, or I probably wouldn't have gotten it. But, I'll throw it into the garage sale. This was in the box. I grabbed a cardboard box and started throwing stuff in it. Didn't even realize this was it. I guess it's supposed to be a copy of a Spanish piece of 8. That's what I'm guessing. So that's what that is. Let's go up here. Again, this was also something I got that wasn't really that good. just costume men's tie clip. Okay, for what it is. This is a sterling silver and amber little pendant. Here's, oop, it fell off. Here is a sterling silver with some sort of redstone. 925. Here is a lovely coral and sterling silver Native American butterfly. There is the mark FY sterling. Really super nice one. Here is a 1956 Ben Franklin $50, and these are 90% silver, but this thing around it is not silver at all. This is a sterling silver pendant with some kind of, I don't think that's real jade, but anyways. I threw this in, I don't know, I just thought, okay, that's pretty, it looks nice, I'll throw it in. Had no idea. I turned it around right here on this little oval, which I never saw when I bought, 14 karat Italy. So I got a little 14 karat gold pin with a pearl. That was nice. And here is a sterling silver, although it doesn't say it. I guess another one I need to test, but it looked like sterling silver and amber. What do y'all think? Looks like it to me. This is a sterling silver charm bracelet. Oops, sorry, up here. I'm just kind of worn out right now, so I apologize. Trying to get this into you. There's another gold ring with a smoky quartz. It's got 14 karat in there as well. Here is a lovely, oh, I'm just not doing real good with the camera work. Here is a lovely Native American sterling silver Old Pawn coral ring. May have been the lady's family. And then here's the last gold ring, a little sapphire 14 karat gold ring. Teeny tiny, fits on my pinky. Up here we have a sterling silver and sterling silver chain frog necklace. A turquoise and sterling silver pendant and chain. And over here we have a sterling silver pendant and chain moon pendant. And I think that's about it. Let's go ahead and weigh some of this and see what it weighs. I'm going to grab all the gold. So here's this one. Oh, don't have it on there. Sorry. So for one ring, we're at 4.65. Second ring, 9.36. Third ring, 15.86. Fourth ring, 19.87. And I know this one has a stone. Fifth ring, 22.48. Sixth ring, 23.53. Here's the little pin, 25.81. Here is the nice gold necklace, and we're at 31.5, which is just over 31.1. So I got an ounce of gold plus all these sterling silver items for $10. Hope you enjoyed seeing everything. Take care, and I'll have more to come. Bye-bye.